Welcome back. As you know, I am Eli, the computer guy, for yet another episode of trying to push my dumpster fire just a little further down the field. If I can push my dumpster fire just a couple of inches down the field today, I'll feel like a happy boy. Anyways, just finished doing my accounting stuff with QuickBooks. Apparently, I'm like $13.41 off. There's the amount in the bank account, and then there's the amount in QuickBooks, and it's off by about $13.41. Why? I don't know. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. The accountant is going to get it, and if I have to pay all the taxes on that $13, I'm just going to at this point. It is funny with all those folks out there that talk about like being passionate about being an entrepreneur. You can tell a real entrepreneurs from wannabe entrepreneurs. There's just that look in the person's eyes as they've had to deal with the QuickBooks file. There are people in the world who have dealt with QuickBooks, and there are people in the world that have not dealt with QuickBooks. Which one are you? Anyways, what I want to talk about today is the blue hairs trying to destroy our country. Because by God, if the red hats don't do it, somebody's got to destroy America. So the blue hairs are willing to step in. So yeah, we have all this stuff going on with artificial intelligence right now. Again, we have the AI fraud. And one of the big problems with the AI fraud is it's being so oversold that, stupid people are buying the fraud. Here's the problem. What if you are so good at lying? What if you are so good at blowing smoke up people's asses that Bernie Sanders actually believes you? Yeah, that's what we're getting to. So anyways, we've got this big thing going on right now, with data centers getting built out. Again, Sam Altman wanted to spend $1.3 trillion on CapEx expenses. All of these companies doing all this AI data center build out. And as I've been talking about for a while, this is all stupid. It's all basically a fraud. It's the greatest fraud perpetrated on the globe in human history. But everybody is buying into it, so you can't fraud the willing. I don't know. I'm not willing. I would like to get off this ride. But the problem that we have right now is that everybody believes this crap, right? Both the Republicans and the Democrats believe this garbage. And the problem is right, you got the Republicans are like, drill, baby, drill. So if you say that AI is the future and it's going to be more dangerous than nuclear weapons, then they want all the AI. They want all the AI. They want to pave the entire United States and put a data center on it. Right? The problem is then you got the Democrats on the other side, and they're like, oh no, if it's so dangerous, we have to stop. Because that's what Democrats like doing. They like stopping. The Republicans like driving down, rural roads at 120 miles an hour, and the Democrats like stopping. And that's kind of what we got. That's what we got in our modern society. So anyways, this is actually coming from Bernie Sanders. And they literally want a moratorium on new AI data centers until Congress can get their brain around AI to make sure everything is done to the blue hair standards. Because if there's one thing that we know about America's Congress is they can get shit done. Oh Lord, this is real. Again, this is coming from Bernie Sanders. This is coming from AOC. And this is why I hate these people. I hate these people with a passion. Old man, go home. All the old men need to go home. Senator Bernie Sanders and Rep. AOC today announced the Artificial Intelligence Data Center Moratorium Act legislation that would enact a reasonable pause to the development of AI to ensure the safety of humanity. Look, they're just asking for a reasonable pause to ensure the safety of humanity. Who would be against that? People that actually understand any of this garbage. Anyways, quote, AI and robotics are creating the most sweeping technological revolution in the history of humanity. The scale, scope, and speed of that change is unprecedented. Congress is way behind where it should be in understanding the nature of this revolution and its impacts. Great, Bernie Sanders. Great, AOC. Does that mean you're going to fucking do your job for once? Does that mean you're going to be burning the midnight oil so that you fully understand the technology and the industry? Does that mean that Congress is going to get together and get up to speed on all this crap? Because again, most of this crap doesn't move at the speed people think it does. This has been a process that has been going on over decades. So yes, Bernie Sanders, and yes, AOC, you have been fucking failing your entire career in politics, and it's about time you actually get your ass in gear. I'm sure that's what AOC and Bernie Sanders are saying. I'm sure the Democratic Party is ready to get rid of the old people that need to sleep fucking 18 hours a day and can only show up into office when they decide their little pet project is there, right? I'm sure you're going to get rid of those people to get people into office that are energized so that they can actually, legislate for the future. That's right, what you're going to do, Bernie Sanders and AOC. I'm sure you're not going to broadcast this out to the world to say you two fucks are lazy little fucking shits that can't be bothered to actually do your damn jobs. But anyways. Oh, opinions. Sanders said, quote, bottom line, we cannot sit back and allow a handful of billionaire big tech oligarchs to make decisions that will reshape our economy, our democracy, and the future of humanity. We need serious public debate and democratic oversight over this enormously consequential issue. The time for action is now. We need a federal moratorium on AI data centers. We need to stop. You're scaring me. You said words that hurt my feelings. Therefore, you need to stop. We need to put our economy into the fucking Stone Ages because the blue hairs need a little goddamn time out so they can go fucking cry for a little bit, right? That is basically what we're seeing here. Again, a moratorium on AI data centers. Moratorium. Not, we need to verify, we need to put these rules in place for water or electricity or something else. This is not, we are going to fund electricity expansion or anything else. You need to stop. Quote, we have seen ICE partner with AI companies to surveil Americans. Yes, we have seen the United States government fuck over Americans using technology. So since the Republicans are fucking over Americans right now, you feel it's your right to fuck over Americans. I mean, hey, if the red hats are screwing over the Americans, I mean, really, I do think the blue hairs should be able to get in on this. Social media users employ AI bots to create sexually explicit deepfakes of women and children, and data center constructions inflate electric bills in communities across the country. Again, look at this. So ICE, which is, again, a department of the government, is partnering with AI companies. Sexual deepfakes and electricity bills. This is across the board. And all of this harm has occurred because of the absence of federal legislation to regulate AI, AOC said. Quote, Congress has a moral obligation to stand with the American people and stop the expansion of these data centers until we have a framework to adequately address the existential harm AI poses to our society. We must choose humanity over profit, right? You need to stop until we feel comfortable. The legislation would slow down the development of AI to give democracy a chance to catch up. So how much would you slow down the development of AI? Who would decide what AI gets to go forward and what AI gets to be kneecapped? Who would decide what safety and security is? Again, we talk about this whole safety and security thing with AI. What I find very fascinating is AI does not seem to be like the latest version of the anarchist handbook. When I was a kid, there's this thing called the anarchist, I think it was cookbook. Basically, it told you how to, build bombs and napalm and all that kind of stuff. Curiously enough, I'm not actually seeing that out of AI. I'm not seeing that out of AI. What you hear about the security and safety issues with AI is basically things like misgendering, which, again, to be clear, don't do. Like, don't be an asshole. That's just being an asshole. But on the other hand, it's not, you know what I'm saying? It's like, anyways. Give a democracy a chance to catch up. The AI Data Center Moratorium Act of 2026 would do that by instituting an immediate federal moratorium on AI data centers until strong national safeguards are in place to ensure that. So again, with the current Congress that we have now, how long would it take to put any safeguards into place, whatever that garbage would be? Quote, AI is safe and effective. What does safe and effective mean? Right? Preventing executives in the AI industry from releasing harmful products into the world that threaten the health and well being of working families, our privacy and civil rights, and the future of humanity. Right? Those are very grandiose words that don't mean shit. Right? AOC wants the right to tell you how you're going to live your life. That's basically what this is. Bernie Sanders, AOC, they want to say how you can live your life. The economic gains of AI and robotics will benefit workers, not just the wealthy owners of big tech. So what, efficiency? Like, again, how do you, so if it doesn't help workers in general, what does the technology simply get eliminated? So China goes warp speed into the fucking future as they automate everything, and we sit here with a goddamn horse and buggy. AI does not increase electricity or utility prices, harm communities, or destroy the environment. Again, does not increase electricity or utility prices for current people. That's legislation that you could put into place, right? Again, depending on how the different utilities work in the United States. Again, utilities are their own thing. You could put something into place where you say, the cost of electricity to the standard ratepayers cannot increase by more than X, Y, or Z after a data center has been put in or whatever else. I mean, that is kind of legislation that you could put in, but this is a moratorium on data centers. And again, harm communities or destroy the environment. I will remind you folks, building a house is destroying an environment. Everybody complains when a new suburb goes in. Nobody volunteers to have their house bulldozed and have a tree planted in the middle of it. Additionally, this bill will stop a global race to see which country is the first to eliminate hundreds of millions of jobs or the first to build an AI that destroys the planet. It accomplishes this by banning U.S. exports of AI computing infrastructure to countries that do not have safeguards in place to guarantee AI is safe. And again, notice that safe again. What does safe actually mean? And effective. Workers are protected and AI does not harm the environment. And so that's what the blue hairs are coming out with. They want a complete and utter moratorium on AI data centers until they feel comfortable, right? The most cowardly, the most scared, the most, they jump at their own fucking shadows. But we got to make sure these people have to feel secure. And then they will put into place the guardrails that they think are appropriate. And they need time to do this because right now they need to go have a fucking nap, right? And again, this is kind of the interesting thing that you see with Congress, and this is what you see with the blue hairs, is that this isn't a call to action for them to get their asses in fucking gear. This isn't a call to action for Bernie Sanders. How fucking old is Bernie Sanders? This is not Bernie Sanders stepping down because he says, I do not no longer have the physical wherewithal to keep up with what is going on in this country right now, so I will be handing this off to the next generation, right? This is not about what they can do to make things better. This is putting a blanket moratorium and trying to say basically the United States won't go any further, right? Like we've been trying this with China for a while. We've been trying. It's like we keep looking at China. We're like, we have the right to say that your civilization shouldn't go any further. And the problem is China doesn't care. China doesn't care. They're just going to keep moving forward. But the problem, you got these politicians. We told them to do something. Like somebody's got to do it. So instead of destroying the Chinese civilization, they're going to destroy our civilization because, it's 2026. It's 2026. Yeah, I'm not feeling good for these elections. I hate them all. I wish Trump wasn't so bad. Oh, he's so fucking bad. But then you look at the Democrats and you're like, what the goddamn hell? So yeah, what do you think? What do you think about this with the Democrats trying to push through an AI data center moratorium? No more AI data centers. What do you think about these lazy pieces of fucking shit demanding that the rest of society, right, stop because they need to go have a nap before they get around to at some point learning what they need to learn about this technology and everything else? Right? What do you think about, again, this idea that these people, again, safety in their hands, right? Like, and this is the weird thing with the United States right now, right? You got the Republicans. The Republicans basically say everybody should be able to have as many guns as they want. You want a machine gun? By God, you should be able to walk into a kindergarten with a goddamn machine gun. That is your constitutional right, right? You got the red hats over there. Any weapon you want, you should be able to get it. You have the blue hairs over here that literally say words are violence. If you say the wrong words, you should go to jail. Do you want them like basically determining what is safe or not in an AI world? Oh, so anyways. Rawr, I say. Rawr. What do you think about this with Bernie Sanders and AOC? What do you think about this with the Democrats? Again, everybody has TDS. Everybody has TDS. Oh, what do you think about the elections coming up with the Democrats? Where do you think this is going to go? Are you like me, where you're just like, hey, can we build some more hospitals? You know what would be nice? You know what would be nice? I imagine a day when a middle-aged white guy or a fucking black trans rabbi lesbian can have a heart attack and they don't have to worry about going bankrupt. I imagine that day. But unfortunately, our politicians are doing every fucking thing in the world other than that. Fucking Trump is getting us into a war in Iran with no goddamn plan, and the Democrats are basically trying to shut down the entire AI revolution. I hate this timeline. I hate this timeline with a passion. So what do you think about this? Put your thoughts down below. Do remember I do these videos in order to support Silicon Dojo, free hands-on technology education that empowers you to do whatever the hell you want to do in Durham, North Carolina and Asheville, North Carolina. We have a class coming up on the Open AI API for AI projects that is coming up on Tuesday in my timeline here in Asheville. We have many more classes coming down the pike, so if you're interested, take a look at silicondojo.com. And if you want to help support free to end user education, there's a donor box link down below. And again, I do look at my profit and loss statements. A little bit more profit would be nice. I'm just saying, a little bit more profit would be nice. Donor box links, they're down there. Anyways, with that, see y'all later.